This is Pounamu. This has been heat treated. Check this out. So these two are the same piece of Pounamu from the same slice, just cut in half. This one here has been heat treated. I'm interested to see what the heat treatment does, and I'm going to compare the two of these. We're going to do a carving and see how they go. What I'm expecting is that this black dark coating, most of this will be the oil, I think. This will grind off pretty easily. And okay, so first impressions are that it hasn't improved the carvability. This is the one that was cooked. There's a little bit of colour change. You can see it's a bit darker in these bits here. So I'll be interested to see how that goes as we carry on. I mean, this wasn't a great stone for carving to start with, though. This is the one that was untreated, and you can see there's bits there which have popped off in the grinder. There's a big piece that's popped off here, though, so it hasn't kept it together any better, at least. Anyway, let's keep going. There have been artefacts found that were heat treated, and the common understanding is that the purpose of the heat treatment was to change the colour to make it more like inanga, or something that was more desirable than the original colour of the Pounamu. So this is the one that wasn't cooked, and the carvability is almost a little bit better than the one that wasn't cooked. I mean, the reason I chose this stone is because it's not great to start with, so I want to see if it improved it. But this is almost, well, it's not holding together well, it's holding together better than the other one, I think, at the moment. So they're both pretty average and pretty similar. So here we go, all finished and polished up. This one here is the one that was cooked, and this one is the one that wasn't. And you can see that vein that carried on through the stone. So, a bit of difference. Yeah, the cooked one's definitely come up a lot lighter, lightened up, and I guess that's kind of what the theory was around inanga. Yeah, trying to make the stones look a little bit lighter. The carvability was pretty much the same, or maybe even worse if anything. But yeah, I don't know, it depends if you like that look. That's what happened with this stone. I guess every stone is going to be different. And I have got one more to do as well. So this piece here was cooked. This is a tighter grained and nicer Pounamu. So it's going to be interesting to see how that one got affected. I think it's gone less translucent. Yeah, I think that's gone less translucent now too. Oh, that's an interesting change. So it looks like this one that got cooked, it's almost developed a bit of a chatoyant shimmer to it. You can almost see it in the video here, in that deeper dark bit near the bottom, which is quite different to the one that wasn't, which has just got a solid, consistent sort of deep green, which doesn't change when you turn it. And that chatoyant sort of pipi wharaora or shimmering, it's quite a rare natural occurrence and beautiful when you see it.